Hey guys, it's Moshe the Electric Israeli, and we got a nice ice storm. It's about almost an inch of ice and maybe another inch or so of snow. And my Chevy Volt is frozen, and the charging port is frozen as well. So here's the plan. You take your keys and you make sure your car is locked. You press it once or twice even, and then you press and hold the start button for a second, and then you see the light comes on. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it run for about 10 minutes, because after 10 minutes it will stop. Around 10 minutes, and then I'll try to get in the car and start it regularly, and then really blast the heat, and then try to undo the charge port. Okay, I'll be right back. Will not close. One second. Nope, not closing. Ow, ice in my head. Yay, success. Shit, look at this. Look at this, frozen shut. I love ice and snow. Okay, now try to clean this car. See what happens. Okay guys, great success. I broke my scraper. This is like the iceberg from Titanic, but I did manage to clean it. The car is still running. You don't see it's the battery is full, but look at this. Look, it's like an iceberg. Look at this ice. So combination of heat in the car and a little bit left, Now it's very important that you clean your car from snow and definitely ice. It's illegal in New Jersey not to clean the car. Somebody got killed. There's a law named after that girl who got killed because ice flew out from a truck in front of her, her mom's car, and she got killed. That's so sad. Okay, great success, all clean. Have a warm, lovely day.